Okay, good day, grade 9. So, this is just a continuation of our discussion po. So, on our face-to-face meetings last time, napag-aralan na po natin, although medyo pahapyaw po, yung atin pong history or development of the atomic model. So, in which nagsimula siya kay John Dalton. Actually, that is from Democritus po. However po, ang pinaka-start po na pag-aaral natin kay John Dalton po, up to Schrödinger po, in which he and his team discovered the quantum mechanic models or quantum mechanic model. May nabanggit po sila doon na tinatawag nating quantum numbers. So this is the main lesson for today. So mamaya po mapag-aaralan po natin what are the four quantum numbers. So that is just a recall. Ang pinakabago po ngayon is yung computation for solving po natin for quantum numbers. So let's start with our principal number denoted by n. This is our symbol for principal number. So this represents the energy level. We have the energy level. So here, bakit po meron ditong picture ng periodic table of elements? So meron po tayo na pag-aralan. Group indicates the number of valence electron for representative group. And for our period, so when we say period, this is the horizontal line po from our periodic table po. So, ibig sabihin po, sa period number 1 po natin, so we have hydrogen and helium. Sila po yung magkasama sa isang period. Period number 2 natin is, nag-start tayo kay lithium, natapos tayo kay neon. Now, period indicates the number of energy level or the outermost shell or the number of shells of an atom. So again, period is equal to energy level. So again, period is equal to energy level. Proceeding with our azimuthal number. Azimuthal number, these are the sub-level. So sub-level natin yan. So dito po, meron po tayong N. Energy level natin, if N is equal to 1 or N sub 1, meron lang tayo 1 sub-level. So we have 1S. If N is equal to 2, meron tayong dalawang sub-level. So meron tayong 2S, meron tayong 2P. N3 is equal to, syempre po, tatlong sub-levels po yan. So we have S. So we have 3S, 3P, 3P. Lastly, we have N, so 4, or ibig sabihin, fourth energy level po. Meron tayo 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F. So dito po, ang kailangan po natin is sub-level po, yung L nila, or yung value po ng L nila, denoted by, azimuthal numbers denoted by letter L. Number po nila is 0. For S, we have 0. For P, we have 1. For D, so ito po yung SPDF po natin. So ito po yung meaning nila. S for sharp, P for principal, D for diffuse, and F for fundamental. So E is equal to 2, and for F, this is equal to 3. So these are their shape. Hindi na po tayo aabot dito. Supposed to be, drawing nyo pa dapat yan. Ano po yung shapes ng bawat elements natin, depending on their azimuthal number. This time po, hindi na po siya kasama. So, ibig sabihin po, the focus of our discussion or focus of our content is eto lang po. Later on po, so ngayon po medyo magulo pa siya. Later on po, kapag ginamit na natin siya sa computation, madadalian na po tayo. Proceed po tayo. Magnetic number po. So recall lang po natin, for energy level, the principal number, this is denoted by N. Again, energy level of the principal number denoted by N. Ang atin pong azimuthal o yung sublevel po natin, this is denoted by L. Dito naman po for magnetic, we have denoted by ML. ML. So again, ML. And dito po, ML po natin, related po siya sa, yung magnetic po natin, related po siya sa sublevel po nito or the azimuthal number. For S po, meron tayong 0. For P, again po, ito po yung sa sublevel. Meron po tayong 1. Now, ano po ang places ng ating pong P sublevel? So, meron tayong negative 1, 0, 1. As of now, sa uluhin po muna yan. Uluhin muna, mamaya na po ang discussion natin kung saan po makikita or saan pong place makikita yung ating pong sublevel po or yung magnetic number po natin. For D, we have 2. Ibig sabihin po niyan, we have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 2. For our F, meron po tayong 3. Again po, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and we have 1, 2, 3. So, ito po yung mga places po in which ito po, dito natin matatagpuan yung bawat atoms po natin. Pagdating naman po sa spin, dun po natin malalaman saan kaya sila dito matatagpuan. So, ito po sila. Now, spin number po natin. When we say spin, ang kailangan po natin matandaan dito is yung arrow up and arrow down natin. Arrow up natin, this represents positive 1/2 spin. Arrow down natin, this represents negative 1/2 spin. Related pa rin po yan dito po sa atin pong magnetic number. Proceed na po tayo para po dire-diretso. Okay, so you have your periodic table. You are allowed to use the periodic table of elements. So on the next slide, makikita po natin yung another periodic table. However, on the next slide po, ang periodic table natin na makikita is yung instead of symbols or element symbols, makikita po natin doon is yung kanila pong electron configuration. Okay. So helium natin, or sorry, hydrogen natin, we have 1s1. Doon po siya magtatapos. For our lithium, siya po ay 2s1. For our sodium, dito po siya magtatapos 3s1 and so on and so forth. Proceed tayo. Find the quantum numbers of oxygen. Oxygen po natin, so meron po tayo ditong, kailangan muna alamin natin syempre yung kanyang electron configuration. Oxygen natin, meron po siyang 8 atomic numbers. Ibig sabihin po, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 2p4 po. Ibig sabihin, ito po ang gagamitin natin para makuha po yung 4 quantum numbers. Again, ito po yung gagamitin sa 4 quantum numbers. Energy level, sublevel, magnetic, and we have spin. Now, let's start with this one. So, kuhanin po natin yung proseso. Sasali din po kayo dito. Ang N po natin, saan po siya kinukuha dito? So, sulat natin na mas malaki. We have 2p4. Saan po kinukuha yung N? Dito po sa malaking numbers unahan. So, this is the value of our N. So, it belongs to the second energy level. Ang P po natin, ito po sinasa ulo lang po ito. S is equal to 0. P is equal to 1. Ang atin pong, ang atin pong D is equal to 2. Ang atin pong F is equal to 3. Since P po ang ating pong sublevel. Ibig sabihin po niyan, ang L po natin or sublevel po natin, value niya po is 1. Next, magnetic po. Since ito po ay nakadepende sa sublevel, since 1 yan, ibig sabihin yan, meron tayong negative 1. So yung una po, gagawin nyo lang po negative, yung L. Tapos, add lang po ng add hanggang makapunta sa, or add 1 lang po pa hanggang makapunta po sa 1. Kung ano naman po yung value ng L. So, negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1, that is positive 1. So, ito po yung mga places po natin para sa ating magnetic number. Negative 1, 0, and 1. Now, paano natin malalaman? Saan po dyan sa tatlong yan makikita yung atin pong element? So, we have the oxygen. So, meron po tayong tatlong boxes. We have negative 1, we have 0, and we have positive 1. Again, negative 1, 0, and 1. Proceed po tayo. Meron tayong 4. So, nito gagamitin. Ibig sabihin po, 4 po na arrows. Ayan. So, dito po, 4 na arrow. Ang paglalagay natin ng arrow, record lang po ito. Ito po ay grade 8 pa po ninyo. Una pong lalagyan is positive po or yung arrow up po natin. Ayun po, kailangan po natin ng 4 na arrows. Nakatatlo na tayo. Yung pangapat po is, again, ang kailangan po is ma-fill out nyo po muna ito na puro ng positive or arrow up po. Then right after that, arrow down naman po. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 po. This is correct. Ngayon po, nasaan po siyang magnetic number? Nasa negative 1. So our answer for our magnetic number is negative 1. Next, for our S or spin natin, saan tayo nagtapos? Nagtapos tayo sa arrow down. So, ibig sabihin po nito, again, remember po, arrow up is positive 1/2. Arrow down is negative 1/2. Therefore, negative 1/2 ito. Kasi natapos tayo sa arrow down. Proceed tayo. May assist pa, ano? Saba. Sarap. Sige, back to discussion po. Find the quantum numbers of calcium. Calcium po, on your periodic table, it is the 20th element po, or it has an atomic number of 20. Long hand notation natin, meron tayo 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Ito po ang gagamitin po natin. 4s2. Now, using this one, makukuha po natin. Again, the key here is, kailangan po, alam niyo po muna, kumuha ng electron configuration. Doon niyo po magagamit po yung Demolex na sinaulo niyo si Sally pumunta sa party. Okay. Proceed tayo. N, L, ML, MS. Energy levels, saan po siya kinukuha? Lakihan ulit natin to. 4s2. Saan kinukuha ang energy level? Yung number po sa unahan. So we have 4. Next, L po natin. Again po, ulitin lang po natin. S equal to 0, P is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, F is equal to 3. Ngayon po, nagtapos tayo sa S. Ibig sabihin po, ang L natin is 0. Ngayon po, ang 0 po natin, yun na din po yung atin pong magnetic number. Bakit po? 0 po, yan na po yan. So, lang po yan. Ibig sabihin, meron lang tayong isang box. How many arrows do we need? 2 po, kasi 2 po yung electrons dito. That is arrow up and arrow down. Natapos tayo sa arrow down. Therefore, the answer is negative 1/2. Proceeding with the third. So this is the third given. Find the quantum numbers of NE. NE natin, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So ito po yung gagamitin natin para makuha yung quantum numbers. Ang n is equal to 2. Ang L natin, natapos tayo sa P, this is 1. Ang atin pong ML, magnetic. Since P yan, so we have negative 1, 0, and 1. Ulitin natin, kung 1 yan, gagawin negative 1, 0, 1. Kung yan po ay 2, yan po ay magiging negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2. Next, alamin po natin, meron po tayong MS natin, meron tayong negative 1 na box, 0 na box, meron po tayong positive 1 na box. Now, how many arrows ang gagamitin? Meron tayong 6. Number 1 po, sulat mo muna lahat ng arrow up. Ngayon, nakatatlo ka. Puno na lahat ng arrow up. Sunod naman po yung arrow down. Complete po ito, 6 na arrows. Natapos sa arrow down, therefore, by the way, ito po ay naandito po. Natapos tayo sa positive 1. Ibig sabihin po niyan, positive 1 po yung ating pong magnetic number. Spin natin, natapos sa arrow down, negative 1/2. Last, CL. Ang CL po natin is, so this is 17. 17. So we have 1s, 2s, 2p6, 3s, 3p5. So ito po ang gagamitin. So we have 3p5. Lakihan lang natin. Ulit. So let me erase this one. So we have 3p5. Ang n, saan ulit kinukuha? Ito po, yung malaking number. So we have 3. Ang L natin, tayo po ay natapos sa P. Ibig sabihin po meron tayong 1. Next, ML natin. Kung 1 yan, that is negative 1, 0, 1. Next. So let us have our magnetic number. Pero, sulat muna natin yung MS, yung spin. Magnetic number natin, ibig sabihin yan, kung meron ka negative 1, isang box for the negative 1, isang box for the 0, at isang box for the positive 1. How many arrows do we need? Ang kailangan natin is 5 arrows. Fill out all of the positive arrows or arrow up. So we have, dalawa na lang po ang kailangan. Tayo po ay natapos sa 0. Next, nagtapos po tayo sa arrow down. This is negative 1/2. So that's it. Okay, for our last example, so gagamit naman po tayo ng transition element for transition metal box. We have Fe. So Fe po natin, the electron configuration of Fe is we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d6. So let us check first. Not quite sure kung tama po yung electron configuration. Check natin. Counter check po natin. So we have 2 plus 2, we have 4. Plus 6, we have 10. Plus 2, we have 12. Plus 6, we have 18. Plus 2, we have 20 plus 6, we have 26. By the way, this is the 26th element, therefore, our electron configuration is correct. Proceed po tayo. So we have 3d10. 3d6, rather. Okay, proceed po tayo. N natin, again po, hindi porket nasa fourth energy level po, 4 po yung atin pong ilalagay sa N. So we have 3. So we have 3. Ito po siya. Next, we have L po natin. Meron tayong D. Again po, S is equal to 0. P is 1. T is 2. M is 2. 3. Since this is 3d6, therefore, our L or sum level po is 2. ML natin, we have, so meron tayong 2, gagawin natin negative 2 plus positive 1, that is negative 1 plus 1, we have 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, we have positive 2. Therefore, there are 5 boxes na kailangan po nating i-fill out. Next, spin po muna tayo. Pagsasabayan na po natin ito. Nakalagay po dito is 6. Kung 6 po yan, kailangan po natin ng 6 arrows. Again, fill out po muna lahat yan ng arrow up. Yung 5 boxes po, fill out po yan ng arrow up. Lahat po. Okay, so, ang nagamit lang po natin is 5. So, may natitira pa tayong isa. Dito na po yan sa unang box. Therefore, nasa negative 2 yung atin po magnetic number. And last but not the least, tayo po ay natapos po sa arrow down. Therefore, our answer for spin is negative 1. So that's for today, grade 9. So get ready for your synth work.